Baby Tom got bills and bibs. He's grown but he still lives in the crib. He's got enemies in daycare and a beef with bedtime. Don't call him cute, he'll end you in rhyme.
Requested by the Haunted Bride.
Alright, we are at Half Price Books. Be on your best behavior.
But I wanna watch Barney the dinosaur.
You better behave or I'll kick your rear.
Oh wow. I see Barney. I gotta see him.
You can see him, I'll be looking at you on the telescope.
Alright. I wanna see Barney. Yay.
Oh my god, I can't believe I got fired from Princeton Plains Borough. I just needed my Vicodin to live. Wait, I saw him pull the fire alarm in the bathroom. He is so gonna get it.
Ooh ah.
I told you not to pull the fire alarm. And what did you do? You pulled it.
But I told you I was sorry.
No. You are gonna get arrested for that.
Can we at least pull up here and get some dinner? Because I like to be wined and dined after I've been F. Hello, welcome to the cafe. What can I get for you?
I don't know, something.
Okay, you'll have the something meal. So it'll have a breakfast burger and coffee, and French toast.
Hey, I just wanted a coffee. I'm running late today.
Okay, to go it is. It'll be $10.
Here you go.
Thanks! Enjoy your meal. So, what game do you want to play?
Well, let's play Minecraft.
In goes the CD-ROM in the Xbox.
Okay, wanna play Grid Runners?
Let's go.
I'm gonna pick the diamond course, it's the hardest. Let's see if one of us can win first. First person to win gets to pick a restaurant.
I will have Chuck E. Cheese's.
And I'll have Los Cucos Mexican restaurant.
Alright. Let's go. I'll go left, you go right.
Now let's shut up and go do the race.
Diamond course selected. Pick a side. Three, two, one, go! Shoot the targets. Knock him down!
Come here, zombies.
Mind to the exit! Defeat the beasts!
Come here.
Climb to the exit! Copy the sculpture! side win!
Yeah. I won. Let's go to Los Cucos.
But I wanna have Chuck E. Cheese's.
We'll go another day. I'm gonna tell Catherine if she can drive us there.
Ugh. I don't get paid for this.
For the last time, we aren't getting Chuck E. Cheese's. So eat this now.
I want Chuck E. Cheese's. I want Chuck E. Cheese's right now, now.
Eat it now. We are not having Chuck E. Cheese's.
How about we go across the street and get some cigarettes? Because I wanna have a good smoke in the hood.
No. You shouldn't use those comments. Tom, you are grounded for a week, and you will not play video games or go to Jackson Storm's house during that time.
Whatever!